Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Panopto. Panopto is the application that the university has bought a license for, and this is what we use as online instructors to make our overview videos for our students. You are required to make a weekly overview video to help students navigate the course and locate their assignments and materials. So once you get into Panopto, you will put a little flechita on capture main screen. You do not need to use video because you're going to be showing the students where to find things in the D2L course page. So you can just turn your video off. A lot of times when you have your face plus a screen capture, it's distracting. Make sure that you name your video and then go ahead and get started. So as it says capture main screen, if I never leave this screen, then my students are never going to see their D2L page. So make sure that you have your D2L page pulled up and ready to go. So this is one of my D2L pages. You can see I can take students through. I can show them where to find different aspects of the course. In the module, I want to make sure that I go through and I tell them what their assignments are. I show them where to click on things, etc. Once I've done that, I'm going to stop my Panopto recording, and it's going to automatically upload and save for me. The nice thing is it's going to keep all of my recordings that I've made throughout the semester, so I don't have to go on YouTube and look for them. The other thing is it's going to keep it protected. So let me show you how to do that. You're going to go to share once it's processed. And you need to do two things. And you'll need to do this every time you make a video. You're going to share it with anyone at your organization with a link. You have to choose that. If not, your students will not be able to see the video. Also, by choosing this option, you can track how many of your students and how many times they've watched your videos. Then you're going to go up to Embed and you're going to copy the iframe code. After you've done that, go down and save the changes. Again, you need to do this with every video recording. Then you'll go back into your module, and just to give you an example, you'll go back into your module to place your overview video. Make sure that down here you click on the HTML source editor, and then you're just going to paste in what you copied earlier. Save that, and once it's saved, you should see the video will automatically appear for your students. So that is how you will record and embed your weekly overview videos.